Hey, what's up guys? It's Luke W, and in this video I'm going to give you a brief overview and look at how you can actually start selling on Amazon, the real step-by-step process, so maybe you guys can get some more clarity and certainty into seeing if this is actually a business model that you want to start doing. Before I do that, I wanted to share with you that this is a thing that you can literally start in any country around the world except a couple of tax-free havens like the Cayman Islands and places like that. But if you're living in the US or honestly anywhere in Europe, anywhere in Asia, Canada, or North America, you can start your own Amazon business. Amazon is growing to so many different countries. I've helped people as young as 14 get products into Amazon, as well as 76-year-old people start selling on Amazon, guys. It's not that difficult. You can do it right from the comfort of your own home. And honestly, it is the way of the future. Many businesses are moving out of retail stores like Nordstrom's. They're all going online, guys. So I wanted to show you a little graph, and you can see here in 2018, we see $158 billion in sales in just this year so far. The year's not even completed, and you can see in 2016 they hit $120 billion. So they made $38 billion more in sales in just 2 years, and this year hasn't even finished up yet, guys. With the expansive reach of Amazon now incorporating business in Australia, all over Europe, in Canada and Mexico, and even over in Japan, these people are not slowing down. Mr. Bezos is a very wise man. He wants to go to the moon. He's making it easier for you guys to start selling as third-party sellers. And a cool statistic is that 68% of all sales on Amazon are going through third-party sellers. So when you start selling, you're going to be one of the third-party sellers that Amazon just gives you a ton of free traffic. As long as you have a great listing and product, you're going to be making a ton of sales. One thing you guys need to keep in mind is that 38% of these third-party sellers are making over $100,000 in revenue annually. That's every year, guys. So if you start this model up right now, you're going to have so many skills that you can transfer over into your other e-commerce businesses that you'll start growing in the future. But building a brand on Amazon is no better time, no better place. The big brands are going away and more brands are coming up, smaller ones. It's called brand fragmentation, where you have more smaller brands that are bringing high quality products to the market. Let's jump behind my computer and let me show you exactly how you can find awesome products, contact suppliers, and get a product into Amazon, guys. So we're here at sellercentral.com right now, and this is where you're going to make your actual Amazon seller account. You can just press register right here, right now. You're going to have access to a professional plan, which is $39 a month, or a free individual plan, which I would recommend you start in the beginning until you get products in. The professional plan will allow you to do advertising, have access to business reports, and a whole bunch of other important data. Down here you can see you can sell in Europe, in Japan, basically all around the world. And what fulfillment by Amazon really means for you guys is you're sending inventory into Amazon's warehouse where you're going to qualify for prime shipping for your customers so they get that fast 2-day shipping that they know and love. And Amazon, again, is giving you hundreds of millions of customers right at your doorstep. As long as you rank your product up high, you're going to be found and getting organic sales passively in your sleep. So this is the first step, setting up your Seller Central account. Next, we're just going to go find a product that has really high sales and low competition. This is the most strenuous and time-consuming part of the whole Amazon selling process. There are so many different ways, and a real quick way that you can actually start finding products is just by using Amazon's auto suggest here. So there's so many methods, but I'll just show you guys this one for right now. So I just typed in pocket, and now I'm seeing pocket hose. What is that? So we can see right here, we're seeing a bunch of different pocket hoses, I guess that's what these are called. And there's one tool that you will need to have. It's called Jungle Scout. I will have it linked right down below. It's a one-time payment of $97, and it's literally the most crucial instrument that you need to show the sales versus the review data for specific products, if it's a viable option for you to start sourcing that product. So here, definitely it's viable in the fact that it is getting tons and tons of sales right now. You can see the revenue for this guy is literally $142,000, and this is monthly, guys. They're making 4,700 sales a month. The only thing that would turn me off to this product is the fact that a lot of people here have really high reviews. But even if you come down here and look at this hose, this guy is selling for $20.99. He's making 2,400 sales a month and $51,000 in revenue. He only has a 4-star rating. So one of the things we'd actually be able to do to figure out if the product can use any upgrades is clicking on these customer reviews, going to the 1-star reviews, and then reading what customers did not like about it. So this guy says it wasn't long enough for me, and after the first few times of using it, it had a leak in it. So maybe the quality of this hose is not really that good, and you could talk to your supplier to make a more durable hose quality here, besides what looks like some more flimsy material here. So that's a way that you can increase your star count, get more better customer reviews, and ultimately sweep away this guy and start making the crazy sales that he is. Again, just this guy alone here is making 4,700 sales a month, $142,000 in revenue with 600 reviews. So that's one quick way to find products, guys. Once we found this product, we would simply come over to Alibaba.com. This is where we're going to locate our suppliers to give us this product in bulk quantity, and they can do so many different modifications to it. Whatever you want, whatever your heart desires, you can have it made here, guys. So I'm going to say pocket hose, and as simple as this, we get a ton of results. So we can see this supplier here is saying that the minimum order quantity for this is 200 pieces. That's letting you know that they won't sell you less than 200 of these, but I have a ton of negotiating tactics, and there's so many ways that you can get a lower minimum order quantity. Simply saying, I want to build a great relationship with you, but I want a smaller test batch of units to test this out. I will definitely come back and buy more from you in the future, is often all it takes to get a lesser minimum order quantity. So the minimum order quantity is going to probably be this higher price point, so $10.99 for a hose and a bag here. You can get your logo on this bag, and that is the main part of private labeling. That's what's going to get your product to stand alone, so no one else can jump on your listing and sell that same product. And as we scroll down here, we even see bigger kits that are sold for even less money, and the minimum order quantity is only one set. So if you order maybe 200 of these, they're going to give you a price in between $1.80 and $9. You can probably get a whole set like this for maybe $5. So shipping on top of this to the US per unit might be about $1. So $6 would be our total product cost for something like a hose that could sell for $30. So I downloaded this free Google Chrome extension. It's called AMZ Scout FBA Calculator. It's 100% free. And you can type in what we're getting our product for. So over here on Alibaba, we said we could probably get it for $5. The shipping cost is probably $1. And we're looking to sell it for about $30. So what it shows us here is our margin impact. So it includes the Amazon FBA fee, because there is going to be a fee, of course, for Amazon to pick, pack, ship it out to your customer, handle all that customer service, and basically make your life super easy and making you that passive income. This is why Amazon's great. We send the inventory into Amazon, and then it's done. They take care of the rest, shipping it out. You don't have to do anything. It works 24/7 in your sleep. So we can see that the total FBA fee is $9.72 to do all that work. And if we add that to our product cost, we're looking at somewhere around $15, $16. But our profit margin is going to end up being $14.27 per unit. Now, like I showed you guys, this seller is making 4,700 sales a month. So if we just type in 4,700 times $14 in profit, this guy's making $65,000 a month in profit on this product. One thing I need to be a little more clear on is the fact that it is summertime right now, so this product is off the charts, getting a ton of sales right now. So if you can plan for something like a seasonal item in advance and get it in and ranked to the first page for a big keyword like pocket hose, you're going to be making so many more sales. But I'm all about finding products that you can sell year-round, so this is probably something I wouldn't jump into right now, especially since summer's almost over. But it's really as simple as that, guys. Find a great product, contact your suppliers. You can even press the button right here, contact supplier. And what I do in my course is I actually have templates for my students to basically fill in the quantity of product that they want and everything, and basically have templates laid out so you can send your initial messages to your suppliers. And of course, I will be there to help everyone along the journey, negotiating as best as possible. So after you get your supplier to get your product and everything specified to the way you want it, you're just going to make a shipping plan. And a lot of people get confused about this, but I did pull up one of my older shipping plans here, and you can see that I have a warehouse in China that I'm sending it from, and then Amazon will give you a Amazon warehouse destination in the United States or whatever country you plan to sell in, where you just ship that inventory to. So you get to print your box labels right here after you make your shipping plan and have your supplier paste those on each of the boxes they're sending in to this Amazon warehouse in Dallas, Texas. And that's basically all you got to do. You'll pay your supplier for that shipping cost. That'll be included in your product cost. For example, in this shipment that I made, I sent 500 units from China into the Amazon warehouse. Amazon in the shipping plan told me how to configure those in the different boxes. So I shipped in my products, and the final thing for me to do was to rank my product up high in the pages. I have a ton more videos on this on my YouTube channel as well as in my Amazon FBA course. So this is basically the quick breakdown for you guys. How to find a product on Amazon, just using the Amazon auto suggest method and then running Jungle Scout along with it to see what the sales versus competition data looks like. Then we're just contacting our suppliers right here on Alibaba, shipping it into the Amazon warehouse, and ranking our product up, guys. So it really is that simple. Amazon's making it so much easier for people all around the world to start selling. The one thing that I will recommend to you guys is getting an Amazon course. I do provide a course. It will be linked right down below, and you guys are going to be able to have my personal mentorship as well as 65 videos comprehensive, which has things like social media, where I'm going to teach you how to drive customers from Facebook and Instagram right to your Amazon product page. I'll also teach you guys how to optimize your listings. We can look at this guy. He's got one image here. It's a pretty bland image. They only have one bullet point here. They're really not trying to rank their product. Their product description is so small. So these are guys that probably have not gotten an Amazon course. They don't really know how to optimize their listing and really rank it up high. I mean, the title here, I mean, what is this random letter in here? So these are people that don't have Amazon courses that, you know, are selling products, and they're still doing well because Amazon has so many people and traffic going to it. But when you have a course, you're gonna really be top dog competing against some of the big guys and sweeping away all the market share to you when you know all the ins and outs of how everything works. So that's going to conclude this video, guys. I hope you really got to see what I have to offer for you, as well as how easy it is to really start finding products and selling on Amazon. Especially with my help, I'm going to be there for you guys. So if you did like the video, please drop a thumbs up on it and subscribe to the channel for more. I've produced over 200 videos talking about Amazon FBA alone. So this is really a prime time to get started. I really hope to see you guys on the other side. Thanks a lot, guys. Peace out.